Hey, did you know you can make your own coconut milk at home in 10 minutes with just two ingredients? It's so simple, creamy, naturally sweet, and the ideal dairy-free milk substitute. Unfortunately, the store-bought canned coconut milk contains BPA in the can lining. It's pricey and contains extra sweeteners and preservatives. Because you make your own coconut milk, you know exactly what goes into it. There are no label comparisons or hidden extras. And thankfully, making coconut milk at home is both simple and affordable. Welcome to the Smoothies Bar, fellow foodies. I'm Ishwari and today I'm going to show you how to make coconut milk at home from scratch. Fresh and delicate with a rich component thanks to the abundance of natural oil it contains. Homemade coconut milk is more delectable than any canned kind you can buy from the store. With a little time and attention, it's also easy to make. So let me show you how it's done. Let's get a little coconutty with this easy homemade coconut milk. I'll start by breaking this coconut. I'm going to drink this water because it's my favorite part of this process. I have been making coconut milk since years now, and so I'm pretty used to this process. The trick is very simple. You just need to twist the knife a little bit and the coconut will easily come out. Coconut milk is a nutrient-dense source of fat, which is one of the key reasons why it's so good for us. Fat is a crucial fuel for our cells since it reduces inflammation, balances blood sugar, keeps our skin glowing, our hair and nails healthy, nourishes the brain, neurological system, and even aids weight loss. But the fat content isn't the only reason to love coconut milk. It's a good source of magnesium, which is vital for muscular relaxation, as well as potassium, which is good for our heart health. It also contains trace amounts of antioxidants including selenium and vitamin C, as well as manganese, which aids in the production of antioxidants. First add 2 cups coconut and 2 cups of water to the blender and then blend it very smooth. Now strain it with a muslin cloth or a strainer or nutmeg bag. This first pressing will give you a thick coconut milk. Press as much as possible so that you can take out the entire milk. Let's keep it aside. Now add the residue from the first straining into the blender. Add remaining water and blend it. Now do the same process. Strain it as much as possible. It will give you a little bit of thin coconut milk. I also like coconut for what it isn't. That is, it's not dairy. I will take this coconut milk and mix it with the previous one and prepare for storage. Fresh coconut milk can be kept in the refrigerator in an airtight container such as mason jar or swing top jar for up to 4 days or frozen up to 3 months. After being refrigerated, it will separate, which is typical. It should be ready to use after a good shake. I also like to put some milk in the ice tray and convert it into coconut milk cubes so that I can use it in my smoothies. And using these cubes will really give you a thick smoothie. And the most important question, what to do with the leftover? I have a solution for you. You can roast the leftover coconut flour residue in the oven or on a skillet. The coconut flour is then crushed into a flour and then you can store it. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment if you have any suggestions, any feedback. Thank you for watching this. Eat clean.